Let's try this again. Excuse me. All right, let's try this again. Back at it today. What I want to work on today is the steering, the handlebars, and the steering column or stem or whatever you want to call it, to see if it's actually the stem that's bent or it's a bracket. So I'll see if I can get access to it. Before that, I want to show you some parts came in. I don't know if you can see this, but the new box is in, and this thing is gonna look killer. I picked this up yesterday and I put an order in for a bunch of new parts, including the front cover, because this is clearly done. I got new a seat repair kit because the posts were broken, and someone tried to fix it with just some screws here. Doesn't quite work, and some other things. Yeah. So anyways, let's tackle the steering. I can see the bolts for the steering shaft all the way at the bottom, but I'm not quite sure the best way to access them yet. I can see it from the left-hand side here, but it's very tight. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start dismantling the top here and see if I can visually see anything that's been bent before I take the whole shaft out. I'm gonna be replacing the handlebars anyway, so all this stuff has to come off regardless, so might as well do it now. Okay, so this is off. From this angle, you could probably tell that it's bent quite a bit. Again, I'm not quite sure which part is bent. I'm assuming it's the stem. I'll keep digging. Hopefully I can remove this this column. I can't tell if this shows up on camera, but there's two nuts there, or two bolts with nuts on the other side. I can definitely access it from this side, but the other side is blocked by the gas tank, so I'm not sure I will be able to get it, but I'll give it a shot. If you're watching this thinking that this is how it's supposed to be done, it probably isn't. I have no idea what I'm doing. So don't. This is not a tutorial. So I decided to remove the plastic completely. That way it'll be a little bit easier to access. Also, I moved the bus bar here. That'll allow me to remove the main harness and get a better view. You can probably see the two nuts there that I have to access. So hopefully this will make the job a little bit easier. Also, I've never worked on an ATV before, so this is the first time I take the whole front end off. So pretty interesting. Hopefully I don't screw it up putting it back together.
Eventually.
Okay, there we go. So I've taken both nuts off. Oh yeah, this thing's bent. This thing is bent. So I'm not sure if you could see this on video, but there's definitely a bend in the shaft here. So I'm going to try to figure out how to straighten this, or yeah, just order a new one. I have this old pry bar that I've been keeping for I don't know what. It's broken, but the outside diameter seems to be exactly the inside diameter of the steering stem. So I'm going to cut off this end here and see if I can make it fit inside, maybe heat it up and try to straighten it out. It's perfect diameter. As you can see, it gets stuck here. Whew. So what I'm thinking is that if I heat up the tube a little bit and then try to force this down, I might be able to get it a little bit straighter. At least that's the plan anyways. Yikes. She is torn apart now. Now that I have everything apart, I was looking at the handlebars and they actually look pretty straight. I don't think they're bent. I think it was just the stem, so I'm gonna hold off ordering new handlebars. As for the stem, I checked online from the dealer. They're 140 Canadian, and I jumped on the old eBay and found one for $35. So I ordered it, and I'm just gonna hold off. I'd rather not. I know I could probably straighten this, but you know, putting heat to it will probably weaken the metal. So might as well just for $35. I'm just gonna replace it, and so I'm gonna wait until that comes in. Okay, so that's gonna be it for today. It's pretty late and it's cold, so I'm gonna wait until the stem comes in and continue working on the front end. But for now, I think I'm gonna concentrate on the rear frame here and see if I can straighten that out. Then the box frame and straighten that out. So I guess this is how I'm gonna leave it for now. I hope I can put this back together. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, do all those fun things, and yeah, let me know if you enjoy seeing a geek try to fix his new ATV or potentially ruin it. I don't know. I guess we'll see. So anyways, see ya.